Your keyboard is set to United States International. Want to stick with that?
No.
Which keyboard do you want to use?
Dutch.
I've got that you want to use Dutch. Is that right?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Yes.
Which language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout?
United States. English. American. English, United States.
I've got that you want to use English, United States. Is that right?
Ja.
Which keyboard layout do you want to add?
US.
I've got that you want to use US. Is that right?
Ja.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you have to accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows. Do you accept?
Oké. Ja. Ja. Hier moet je wel echt op accept drukken.